Hey guys, welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to open up an Influenster Voxbox that I got. An Influencer Voxbox, in case you did not know, is a box of free stuff. I have no idea what's in my box yet. Let's start with how do you get a Voxbox? You join the app, you fill out surveys, you take surveys until you can't take surveys anymore. Write as many reviews as I can, so anytime I find a product that I like, I immediately go on there and review it, or that I hate, I immediately go on there and review it. So the more active you are, the more likely you're going to get a box. This is my fifth box. This is my fourth or fifth box. I'm not 100% sure. I've been with them for like a couple years, probably. Actually, maybe a year, because the first one that I got, I posted on this channel, and I think that was about a year ago. The companies will send you the products in exchange for your review. You don't have to post on social media, but you do have to complete a survey at the end about the product, like whether you liked it or didn't like it. Of course, they want you to talk about the product, and I think they kind of just believe in their product so much that you would talk about them. I usually post about them because you do get extra points for it in the app, but it doesn't affect your chance of getting another Voxbox. That it's not allowed to affect your chance of getting another Voxbox. So obviously, the more active you are, it looks better. So I don't know. Wow. Okay, so there's a lot in here, and this is the hashtag Holislay Voxbox. So anytime that I talk about these, I need to say that I got it for free, and I need to put this hashtag Holislay Voxbox on it. The reason you have to say you got it for free is because your opinion changes when you get things for free, right? If you pay for it, you have a different opinion than if you don't pay for it. A lot of times, at least for me, I don't like to recommend something unless I've paid for it. So if it's something that I'm telling everyone to buy, even if I already have one, I might buy a second one just so I'm like, I spent my money on it and I think that other people should too. So the first item I see is humongous size in here. It is from Glow Recipe. That's a great company. And this is a banana souffle moisture cream. I cannot wait to smell this. I hope it smells like fake banana, like, you know, banana candy. It says, "Hey Glow Yang, indulge skin with this banana infused treat." Glow Recipe is a vegan company, and I think they're also a clean company, like clean ingredients. Ooh, it does smell like fake banana. It smells like banana pudding. This smells amazing. Actually, I should see what it feels like. Oh my gosh, I love it already. I love the smell of fake banana, and I don't like the smell of real banana. Does that make any sense? You know, like fake banana has like a nicer, sweeter smell to it. I don't really know, but this is the fake banana smell. The next thing, I have a couple Floral Street fragrances here. This one says Wonderland Peony, and this one says Electric Rhubarb. Oh, I have more. Wow, I got 4. Okay, and Wild Vanilla Orchid and Lang Lang. I don't even know how you say it. You know, Lang Lang Espresso. That one kind of sounds mysterious. So I'm gonna spray them on this paper so then I can smell them all. The first one is Wild Vanilla Orchid, and very like refreshing. I get the hint of vanilla at the end. Now we're gonna go with the Lang Lang Espresso. Does anybody know what the heck Lang Lang is? I have no idea, but I keep seeing it everywhere. Ooh. This one kind of reminds me of like the smell of alcohol, like a nice wine or like port wine, you know, like sweet, but also intense. I like it. I don't even smell the espresso in it. It smells floral more than espresso. This next one is Electric Rhubarb. Oh, that smells so sweet. This one smells like candy. This is so far my favorite. I really like sweet fruity ones. And the last one is Wonderland Peony. This one's kind of sweet too. It kind of has like an orange smell to it, in my opinion, like candy, floral, and orange all mixed in one. That's my best description. There's one more item in here. It's from Wander Beauty. I pretty much find Wander Beauty only in subscription boxes. Has anybody ever bought something from Wander Beauty? Because I don't even know, like, where do they sell stuff? This is the Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. I'm pretty, like, either I have eyelash extensions or I'm using Senegence mascara to grow my lashes, so I probably won't use this. But maybe I'll put it in my giveaway. I feel bad not using things if I get them for free, for my opinion, you know? But I also don't want to use it. Maybe I'll just use it on my lower lashes just to see like what it feels like. I just hate that because sometimes there's certain things that I want to avoid. But if you get it for free in exchange for your review and then you don't review it, do you really deserve it? You know? I'll probably try it. So I was thinking of putting it maybe in a giveaway, but no, if I got it for free, I should try it. So the next step is that I will go in my app, I will do the little tasks if I want to, and then at the end of the period, however long their Holislay Voxbox period is, they will email me with the survey. I have to complete the survey when I got the box or when I signed up for the box. Basically, I told them I would complete the survey, so yeah, in order to keep getting boxes, you need to follow that rule. Boxes come at random. They send you surveys at random. You always should be filling out the little surveys in the app, but you also sometimes get surveys directly to your email. You have to open that survey, fill it out. At the end, you put your address. If you're putting your address in, the chance is a lot higher that you're gonna get the Voxbox because they have something specific in mind when they send you that survey. As long as your answers are around what they would like, it means you're in their market, and then you get those answers right, and you got yourself a Voxbox. So that's how it works. If you have any questions about the whole process, it is definitely confusing, but free stuff is free stuff, so it's pretty fun too. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time.